Hello creative people, welcome back to Shuta's Universe. If you wanna know how I turned these pencils into these cute little creatures, then you should watch this video. In order to use your favorite pencil until the very end, you need to use a pencil extender like this one, which makes it really easy to grab and draw even with this tiny, weeny little pencil, which without a pencil extender is a really hard job. Let's create our own DIY pencil extender. For that we will need a ballpoint pen like this one. At first we need to remove the cap and then remove this part on the back and take out the lid also. Here you go, this is your DIY pencil extender. Ta-da! Let's try with this cute guy over here. Just insert a part of this little pencil into the hole and you're good to go. You can remove it whenever you want and insert maybe some other pencil. You just need to find the perfect sized pen for the pencil to fit in. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it comes of use. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Shuta's Universe.